For Thriftmas in July, I'm just going to be sharing my winter village that I have thrifted. Parts of it I purchased last year, and then I went to the Dollar Tree to find the last little bits and pieces to decorate, as far as the little figures that are going to be part of it. To start out with, this is the first piece in the set that I purchased last year. This here being the honeymoon house. And it's a little hotel. I'm gonna put this in the back right corner. This tree, I think this tree actually came from Walmart. So I think I have, yes, I have 2 of these bigger trees. Next I have the candy shop. I'm gonna put this one right here. I also have the school. Another piece I have is the cafe. It's the corner cafe. And I'm going to put that right up in this front right corner here. I also have the cobblestone antique store. The last piece that I purchased last year is this Christmas shop. I'm just gonna put that right here in the front. So all of these pieces came together in a set, I believe. Maybe, I think I might have gotten 5 of them, and then one of them was separate. But this completes a set. And then I have a couple more trees. And again, I think these came from Walmart as well. I'm just gonna put that one here. And the item that I just got this year, I'm calling it the Christmas Mansion. I just got it for a couple of dollars at the Goodwill. And this one is larger than all the rest, but I thought this would be a nice addition to the set, and it has a nice light inside of it. And this one is going to just sit right in the middle here. And now I'll add the little figurines. And all of these came from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna place those around just to complete the village.